Good morning, good morning. Ay, wait lang po ha. Kapit mga beshi, huwag kayo malaglag ha. Ang delikado tong atong cellphone Wait lang po. Ay, sorry. Hear that sound, guys? Delikado. Malalaglag ba siya? Diba ganda ng sounds? Good morning, good morning! Nagwo-worried ako dito sa housing ko. Baka malaglag siya, guys. Nag-zoom siya. Ayan. Oh my goodness. Wait lang po ha. Ayusin lang natin. Teka guys, tanggalin ko lang tong housing. Ay, sorry. Sandali lang po. Kasi hindi tayo safe dito. Baka malaglag. Oh no, sorry. Wait lang guys. Hindi ko matanggal. Let me fix this one first. Ayan, sorry. This one, I can do it. There you go. Ayaw. Sorry. Sa pag ito nalaglag. Wala na. Basag na yung cellphone pag nalaglag. Good morning. Hi, Nori. Good morning. How are you, my dear friend? Sorry, I'm just trying to fix this cell phone because I'm afraid it might be fall. Hello, sweet friend. Hello, Nori. I just wake up. Sorry. Where can I? Wait. Saan ako pwedeng mag-type? Thank you for coming. Hear that sounds? It's a bird sounds. Oh, there. Ha. Here I am again. Thank you. Saan ako pwedeng mag-chat? But wait. Sorry. Hindi ko ma-live chat. Dito ata. I know.